Hello guys, this is Damian from forexboat.com and welcome back to our video examples on a live forex trading account. We remind that the trades you will see here are with and only educational purpose. So what you're currently looking at is the 5-minute chart of the American dollar Canadian dollar forex pair, where we currently approach a double bottom chart pattern. We see two bottoms placed on the support zone at 1.2980, and let's outline these bottoms over here. First bottom, the second bottom, here they are. At the same time, the price action is currently confirming the validity of the double bottom pattern. This is why we decided to do this shot for you and to show you how to trade a double bottom pattern. The white line you see is the line which stays at the top, created between the two bottoms of the pattern over here. When this line breaks, we get a confirmation of the pattern. This is the breakout over here. We get a confirmation of the pattern, and we have a strong reason to believe that the price action will increase. This is why we just bought the American dollar Canadian dollar pattern, and at the same time we will place a stop loss order somewhere near the midpoint of the pattern. Here it is. The stop loss order is adjusted. Let's use this bottom over here as a nice place for our stop loss order. Okay, so this is our entry point. This is our stop loss order. According to the double bottom chart pattern rules, we need to hold a double bottom trade for a minimum price move equal to the distance starting from the support of the two bottoms and the trigger line, the neckline of the pattern. This is the distance over here. So we need to apply this distance starting from the moment of the breakout. Here it is, the breakout through the neckline, so the minimum price move we pursue in our case equals to this distance you see in the green rectangle over here. So since we bought the American dollar Canadian dollar on the assumption that the price will increase, this puts us with a long trade on the chart. However, despite of the fact that we bought somewhere near 1.2998, the order was implemented at 1.30 because of the spread we pay for each trade we implement. So we open somewhere here, but the actual break even of our trade is right over here at 1.30. So let's now mark our target on the chart with a take profit order. According to the double bottom rules, we need to hold the trade for a minimum price move equal to the size of the pattern. We apply the size of the pattern. We're now going to put our take profit order at the top of the green rectangle you see on the chart. Over here. let's adjust it manually. 30. Okay. Oops, looks like the platform takes some time to respond. That's normal, happens sometimes. Here it is. Oops. Over here. So our take profit order stays approximately at 1.30. I mean 1.3008. Sorry for this mistake. 1.3008. And we're going to mark it with red thin line. We'll know that this is the take profit order. Over here. Now we wait to see if the price action is really going to accomplish our target. Notice that this is a trade, this is a scalp trade, which means that we will probably stay involved for a relatively short period of time. As you see, the distance between our entry point and our potential take profit is about 7 pips. 7 pips. This is a very, very tiny amount, but the good thing is that the trade will take a relatively short period of time, and at the same time the double bottom pattern is considered one of the most reliable chart patterns, which makes the trade totally worth it. So let's see if the price action is really going to accomplish our target at 1.3008. Okay, as we see, the price action is currently approaching our entry point on the chart. So soon we will break even. Okay, let's pause the video for a while and get back to see what actually is going to happen in this trade. Okay guys, we're back 10 minutes later to see that our trade is already completed. The price action actually hit our take profit order at 1.3008, closing our trade and making our trade 100% successful. We managed to catch the full potential of our double bottom pattern, and we managed to realize a profitable trade. So let's discuss some more details about this trade. Another reason which made us believe that the price will increase, but actually we did not have a lot of time to discuss this since we needed to react immediately to the breakout through the neckline. You see over here the breakout through the neckline. We didn't have time to discuss this. This is the bearish trend line. This bearish trend line over here that the price action has been following during the past couple hours, and it got broken in the moment of the creation of the double bottom pattern, which gave us additional strong confirmation that the price action is probably reversing and it will probably go to 1.3008. So we managed to collect a profit equal to 8 pips 1.3008 minus 1.30, our 80 point, and 8 pips equals to, in percentage, equals to 0.062% in our case. So this is 0.062. Right over here, 0.062. Whoops. Let me write it down. Here it is. 0.062. This is percent value. Although this looks like an insignificant amount at first sight, we remind that most of the forex trading happens under leverage, which gives you a very big buying power. So for example, if you invest in your trades, if you put like $200 from your bankroll in each of your trade, and you're using like 1 to 100 leverage, which is something normal in forex trading, you'll be having a buying power of $20,000. And then when you multiply your 20,000 buying power to the 0.062 percentage we just calculated, which is the distance between our entry and exit point, you will be getting then the result of 12.4, which is calculated in dollars. So you will be receiving a decent profit of $12.4 just for like a trade which took you like 10 minutes. And $12.4 is a very decent amount to profit for 10 minutes, since most of the day traders count on a very high frequency trading and a very big amount of trades implemented during their trading sessions. So thank you for watching this video. This was Damian from forexball.com. Looking forward to see you on the next live forex trading session, and until then, happy trading.